Education is necessary for peace. Let me ask a question. What is the literacy rate of United States of America? It's 99%. If education is necessary for peace, then the so-called champion of human rights and world's most well-educated nation, the United States of America, would not be responsible for the insurgency and terrorism in Iran, Iraq, and but what kind of education? The message of love, peace and prosperity which was given to us by the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The message which was given to us by the Holy Quran that if you have killed a single human being, it means you have killed the whole humanity. And if you have killed the humanity. But unfortunately, the so-called international media, the so-called champions of human rights used to say, the so-called world's most well-educated and highly qualified people used to say that Muslims are responsible for the terrorism. Let me ask you a question. What is the literacy rate of Israel? It's 97%. Then what is being done in Palestine? Thousands of Muslims what was done in Iran? What was done in Iraq? What was done in Syria? What is being done in Lebanon? What is being done in Burma? What is being done in Afghanistan? What is being done in Hyderabad, Dhaka and Gujarat? And what is being done in Indian occupied Kashmir? So, it has been proved that Muslims are not terrorists, rather they are being terrorized. So, ladies and gentlemen, education is necessary for peace, then the highly qualified person, Dr. Nazar Baloch, would not be responsible for killing innocent Punjabi and Sindhi settlers and patriotic Balochis of Balochistan province. If education is necessary for peace, then the champion of human rights and renowned country in the field of software and computer science, India, would not be at the top list among the world's most rape victim nations. If it is necessary for peace, then Indian army and Indian government would not be responsible for killing innocent Christians of Telangana, innocent Sikhs and peace-loving Sikhs of Pakistan, and peace-loving and innocent Muslims of Indian occupied Kashmir. What kind of education? What kind of lesson? The country where sex education is necessary for the students of 5th and 6th class, what kind of moral values they are teaching to their students? What is the literacy rate of France? It's 99%. If education is necessary for peace, then Charlie Hebdo of the most well-educated country, France, would not be responsible for the anarchy in the entire Muslim world. Then according to law of God, where you can't pitch and hurt the feelings of any religion, caste or creed, and according to the international blasphemy law, what do you say about the nation where patients are the most sensitive about their beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Dear audience, let me to express section of these patients in my national language because English Linguistics Council job by these patients. हमने हर दौर में नामों से